delighted to introduce our special student. His name is Mr. Motaz Alhassin. He has completed his master's degree in electronics and joined IPCS, coming all the way from Sudan. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
How does it feel to be in Kerala?
I was being so lucky to be in Kerala as God's own country, as the people of Kerala call it. I was so impressed when I was coming here like a first time. I saw the most good nature place in the world and the most kind people in the world in here, in this state of Kerala. So since I being here in Kerala, I've been treated like one of the people of Kerala. I have never felt like I'm alone or I am out of my country, or I feel like I'm here in my home. And this is what I feel about Kerala and people of Kerala also.
How do you come to know about us? Why did you choose IPCS?
Yeah, this is a most important question. So after a long search and digging about to do automation course, so I came to know that there is an institute, is named IPCS, and is located in Kallur. So that is offering automation course. And automation course that I was searching for a long time is like, and also this institute is only one institute. He's offering the TUV certificate from Germany. It's be authorized internationally to be like automation engineer. So that's why I choose IPCS. I found IPCS like on Google. I asked a question of Google like what's the most trusted institute near to me to find automation course. I got the IPCS. So I contact Sarah sir and he arranged me a meeting, and so that's why I choose IPCS.
We would like to know about your experience about IPCS, like training, faculties, lab experience.
Here they're offering more sophisticated like BLC, especially in Siemens like Step 7 1200, and also Allen Bradley AB 1400, and this exactly what I was looking for, like to get trained on that models. Also about faculty, meanwhile that I was doing the training, once I asked for help, they won't hesitate, any one of them, they will come and help. The general here, like from the administration of since I got admitted, and the whole experience was very good. I found like good assistance. Even like I was so far from this field, working like programming and PLCs control and this thing, and they give me the good refresh for that, and also like a good dose of training for my career.